In this video, we'll look at using the song sheet view to playback songs, how to modify the format to get what we want, and then how to export it to a PDF and text file. Songmaster Pro provides an alternative to viewing the song as a waveform. This other format is similar to traditional sheet music. We call it a song sheet. With the song sheet, you can do most of the things you can in the waveform view. We can click to jump to a particular location and start playback. You can use the shortcut keys to quickly move by bars or sections. Define loop regions by holding Shift, click, and drag. Adjust the endpoints. You can also expand and collapse sections to get an overview of the song. When playing, sections will automatically expand and collapse. There are many options for changing the layout. From the song sheet menu, select the song sheet options. You can show the lyrics and display them in color or black and white. If you have note markers, you can show them as well and place them above or below the staff. If you prefer a format with just chords, as in a chord chart, uncheck the show staff. Then hide the lyrics for a grid layout. Adjust the size of the chord names. You can show chords in normal, Roman, or Nashville notation. We can also adjust the display length of each bar. Another great feature of song sheets is that they can be saved as PDF files. The PDF will be formatted according to the current layout of the song sheet, so use the song sheet options dialog to set things the way you want before exporting. Usually you will want to resize the window to change the number of bars per line that are displayed before exporting it. When ready, just select Export Song Sheet to PDF from the Song Sheet menu. You can also export songs to MusicXML and bring it into a notation package for further editing. You can also export the song as a text file. The text file will look something like this and can include sections, chords, and lyrics. That's it for this quick overview of song sheets. In the next video in this series, we'll look at refining lyrics.